Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Hassan and my roll number is BP1650126 and my topic of presentation is photosensitivity. Now I will explain what photosensitivity is. Photosensitivity is an extreme sensitivity to ultraviolet rays from the sun and other light sources. Most people are at risk of developing sunburn during long exposure to sunlight. Exposure to UV rays can also lead to skin damage and skin cancer. There are two types of photosensitive reaction. Number one is phototoxic reaction and the other one is photoallergic reactions. Now, what is phototoxic reactions are? Phototoxic reaction is an extreme sensitivity to ultraviolet rays from the sun and other light sources. Most people are at risk of developing sunburn during long exposure to sunlight. Exposure to UV rays can also lead to skin damage and skin cancer. Now, what photoallergic reactions are? Photoallergic reactions are far less common than phototoxic reactions. They depend on individual immunological reactivity and occur only in previously sensitized individuals. The rash also appear different. It is papular, vesicular, or eczematous in appearance, resembling allergic contact, eczematous dermatitis, or lichen planus like eruptions. The pathogenesis involves the conjugation of photoproduct with a protein producing an antigen. Causes of photosensitivity. Photosensitivity, sometimes referred to as a sun allergy, is an immune system reaction that is triggered by sunlight. Sunlight can trigger immune system reaction. Pupils develop itchy eruptions or areas of redness and inflammation on patches of sun-exposed skin. Diagnosis of photosensitive reactions. There are no specific tests for photosensitivity reactions. A doctor suspects a photosensitivity reaction when a rash appears only in areas exposed to sunlight. What are the treatment of photosensitivity? The mainstays of treatment of drug-induced photosensitivity include identification and avoidance of the causative agent, the use of sun protein, and the institution of measures for symptomatic relief. Topical corticosteroids and cool compress may alleviate drug-induced photosensitivity. Signs and symptoms. What are the signs and symptoms of photosensitivity? Symptoms of photosensitivity may include a pink or red rash with blotchy blisters, scaly patches, or raised spot on areas directly exposed to the sun. Itching and burning may occur and the rash may last for several days. In some pupils, the reaction to sunlight gradually becomes less with subsequent exposures. Now I will explain the case study related to photosensitivity. A case of photosensitivity and contact allergy to systematic tricyclic drugs with unusual features. A 43 years old farmer on tricyclic antidepressive drug developed a severe photodermatitis with associated liver involvement. The lesion spread to covered areas of the skin, suggesting photoallergy. Clinically, patch and photopatch testing revealed photoallergy and contact allergy to clomipirine and contact allergy also to carbamazine. In addition, the patient had positive patch test reaction to chlorpromazine, balsam of Peru, and fragrance mix, as well as positive photopatch test to fenchler. UVA and UVB erythema thresholds were normal. In this patient, an initial episode of photosensitization, probably indicated by clomipirine, was accompanied by contact allergy to this drug and to carbamazepine. The contact sensitivity to clomipirine could also be elicited by oral provocation without UV light. Hypothetically, a photoproduct of clomipirine may have been the original sensitizer. This compound subsequently cross-reacting with clomipirine and possibly with carbamazine. Subject: age 43-year-old, gender male, present complaint a severe photodermatitis with associated liver involvement. The lesions spread to covered areas of the skin. Object. Patch and photo patch testing reveal photoallergy and contact allergy to clomipirine and contact allergy also to carbamazepine. In addition, the patient had positive patch test reaction to clopramazine associated liver involvement assessment. Diagnosis of photodermatitis on two major criteria. The eruption is clearly related to a period of exposure to sunlight and it is localized to or predominant on uncovered region. However, the different diagnosis with contact eczema of the face or airborne dermatitis to irritation or allergy is sometimes difficult. The skin lesions of photosensitization result from two psychopathological mechanisms: phototoxicity, a photochemical reaction, and photoallergy, an immunological reaction to an anti-agent formed in the skin after light irradiation. In the evaluation of photodermatitis, photobiological exploration ranks first as it confirms the diagnosis, informs on the mechanism, and identifies a possible photosensitizing agent. It is useful in the nosological classification of light eruptions and permits to adjust the treatment according to the responsible photons depending on the presumed nature of the photodermatitis studied. Various photo tests are performed including Sedman tests, photo challenges test, photo patch test, and photo test after reintroduction of a drug. Now I will explain the plan, which may contain medication. Medication should be suspected in case of photosensitivity even if the particular medication such as hydrochlorothiazide has been used for months. Local measures: when the eruption is vesicular or whippy, treatment is similar to that of any acute dermatitis using cooling and soothing wet dressing. Mid potency to high potency. Topical corticosteroids are of limited benefit in sunburn reaction but may help in polymorphous light eruption and photoallergical reactions. Since the phase is often involved, close monitoring for corticosteroids side effect is recommended. Systematic measures. Aspirin may have some values for fever and pain of acute sunburn, as prostaglandins appear to play a photogenetic role in the early erythema. Systematic corticosteroids in doses as described for acute contact dermatitis may be required for severe photosensitivity reactions. Immunosuppressive may be indicated for severe photoallergies such as azathioprine in the range of 50 to 300 mg daily orally or cyclosporine 3 to 5 mg per kg per day orally. Thank you.